You are a lady rider, you can wear it. This is a unisex jacket. This can be, it's in small size. But no, man, I don't want that shit. I want something which is hugging my body as like my clothes. So today I did something that's dangerous for my bank account but amazing for my riding gear collection. So let me show you the Royal Enfield's Nubra Women's 4-season riding jacket, and let's see if it's actually worth the money or not, or just a expensive riding gear. Again, as riders we spend thousand amounts of money on our bike, but we hardly invest on our riding gears actually. So this time I thought that I had changed my jacket from a long time, and my jacket was ripped off from one chest because of the last accident on Java 42. So I should get a new jacket. But suddenly, somehow, I got this deal of 30% off, massive off. So that's the reason I went to the Riders Emporium and got it one for me. And this riding jacket is costing a 14 something, and this riding jacket costed me 10 something. So that was the beneficial stuff, right? So if you are also looking for a riding jacket and you are demanding something should be female in shape and it should be hug around your body and waist and your chest, the riding jacket, it's not about fashion or good looks. It's about protection, comfort, weather resistance, and confidence on long rides. So today, let's find out if the Royal Enfield jacket, Nubra jacket, ticks all the boxes around or not. So first thing that caught my attention was the color of this riding jacket. Yeah, let me take out this riding jacket first from this bag. So, tan-tan-tan! Ta-da-da-da! So the best part is that this riding jacket is specially designed for women like me who loves to ride in all weather conditions. Especially not a jacket which is just modified for women, or just not a unisex riding jacket. I don't want something bulkier around my waist or around my chest. I'm already small in size. I don't want to look like So let me tell you the quality of this jacket first. This jacket uses high quality absorb resistant outer material which will extremely premium, and stitches like these solidly premium. There are two zippers basically, one for inliners and one for exteriors, and then after there's the stitch buttons are there which is snapped with magnets. Yes, you heard it right. It's magnets are there. Like you don't have to find like where is the stitch. So here is the magnet inside in it. You can see it's a circle round. It will just stick like this. It's amazing stuff, isn't it? And the best part is that Royal Enfield actually designed this jacket by putting women riders in their head. I'm showing you. So here it is. You can see it's just attaching like that only, and see the shape, and chain is amazingly premium. It's by YKK only, and the best part is that left hand observing chain. Most of the riding jacket having the right hand rule chain, but as it is the woman's jacket, it's left hand chain. It's amazing. And these chains on the wrist is nicely fitted actually. So over here on the neck itself, you can see something different. This is a snapping button. You have to put this on, and then after you can just roll it down. And if you are feeling humpty or dumpty inside, okay, so you just have to do this. That's it. It's not open, but yeah, it's kind of giving you ventilation. This is amazing for this riding jacket as well. A lot of riding jacket have the stitched logos. This model jacket having the reflective Royal Enfield over badge over here as well as the behind. So whenever you will ride like this, it will reflect. So that's good in it. So overall, the construction gives a lot of confidence for a long rider perspective. That's the amazing stuff. Now let's talk about the most important stuff, which is protection. So this jacket comes equipped with CE certified protection at critical impact zone like shoulders, there is a protector inside in it. Elbow, there is a protector in it, and provision for back protection as well. Today is 49 degrees Celsius till now, and sun is just up right there, and I'm not feeling it, any sweat. You can see. So this is so airy as well, but this is not giving me sweat like normal riding jackets. So let me tell you why this jacket is called 4-season riding jacket. Because summer, monsoon, winter and touring. So let's talk about the summer first. Large ventilation panel helps to improve the airflow. Let me talk about the monsoon now. This jacket includes waterproof layering as well to tackle up with the unexpected rains. Like you don't have to stop and wear all your waterproof layering again like Z, Decathlon. So it takes time. So you don't have to worry about it if you are just going through here and there and you are thinking that, oh, rain can happen today. So you can just put the layering inside in it and just good to go. And not a single drop of water goes inside in it. Top notch. So let me show you the rain liner first. There's a 2 liners basically. This is rain liner. And this is the thermal liner. The rain liner is outside. It's light in weight. Very light fabric is there. And the quality is amazing. You can see. Again, a snap button is there to make it hold around the jacket. And it's actually very nicely fitting. And you can see the badging over here, and this is again attached with the rain layer. This is what it looks like. Isn't it looks very premium? Actually, I'm loving this gear. Like from 2016 I'm riding. It's been 10 years I'm riding and I never found this kind of comfortable riding jacket till now. And if you are just putting all the layers in it and just wearing the jacket on top of it, then this is your touring gear ready. As multiple combination allow you to adjust according to changing weather condition as being your rides. So this jacket is an all-round protective riding jacket for all-rounder motorcyclists, no matter where your adventure takes you. And the best part is that its outer shell is made up of light and flexible 95% nylon and 5% spandex. Shoulder fabric and elbow fabric is Cordura denim, which is giving, very good protection, and CE certified protection for shoulder and elbow protectors, superior impact protection. Like these are the protection, second layer protection, D30, orange shield. What else do you want in protection, man? And let me tell you as well who should buy it. I would love to recommend this jacket for daily commuters, weekend riders, touring enthusiasts, women riders looking for a proper dedicated riding jacket like this, and riders planning for a long distance adventure. This will be the amazing riding jacket actually. So let me tell you my final verdict. After checking out closely, I can honestly say this doesn't feel like another riding jacket. It feels like proper riding equipment designed for a real world riding condition. Protection, comfort, weather versatility, and right now a very, very, very attractive discount. So if you are looking to upgrade your riding gear, the Royal Enfield Nubra Women's 4-season riding jacket, which is absolutely worth buying in this season. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Follow me on the Instagram for daily riding contents, and tell me in the comment section what's the first thing you will upgrade, a bike or the riding gear.